Let me guess, Nathan, you don't like plastic sawhorses.
They don't last on the job site.
What do you like?
I like these. This is the model me and my dad have. We carry these in our vans. It's a trick he picked up back in the day when he was doing a lot of stairs. The framers would leave the temporary treads on. He'd pull those off.
That's this stock?
Yep, this one by stock.
No kidding.
And then with any home renovation, you always have a bunch of hinges left over.
And so that's what's going on right there.
Pretty simple, pretty cheap.
You guys making a new sawhorse after every job. All right, let's build some.
All right. The nice thing about these sawhorses are they're very customizable. But to keep it simple, I'm going to cut 8 pieces at 32 inches, and that'll build us one sawhorse.
So you're using pressure treated here?
We are. If we're not grabbing scrap off the job site, then we should make it out of pressure treated material. It'll last a lot longer.
You can use them outside, no problem, right?
Yep, they'll withstand the elements. Now that we have our 4 legs cut, I'll just do a simple layout, just one cross piece, flush across the top, come up 7 inches, strike a line, square, and then that's our bottom piece.
Okay.
Now we're ready to put some hinges on. Traditionally, when you're putting a hinge on a door, you always have the butt hanging out. But what I like to do is set it below about 1/8. That way, if you're ripping some stalks and plywood, you're not going to hit it with your saw blade. So I'm going to do that just by setting the combination square to 1/8, striking a line across.
You're a big fan of that combination square.
I am. It's great to have. For a project like this where you're doing a lot of constant lines, you just set it once and keep striking. Then we'll pre-drill all the holes. That'll make it easier to install the hinges. These are just zinc-coated 1¼ screws.
Good.
Yep. All right. I want to find the center and the bottom rail and just put 2 holes for my 550 cord. Straight line.
So what's the story with this?
This is 550 cord. Used to use it all the time in the Navy. It's really easy to get. You can get it at the surplus store for about $5 for 200 yards, and it holds quite a load. All right, little square knot, left over right, right over left. Pull it tight, and there it is.
I love it. All right, let's have a look at it.
All right.
Some leftover materials from the job site. Not more than 20 minutes of labor. Nice and sturdy.
It'll last a lifetime.
Nice job, Nathan.
Thank you.
I like that. Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.